G'day ladies and germs, Connor here from C-Dubs Media, back. G'day ladies and germs, Connor here from C-Dubs Media, back with another video. And this is just a quick video because I recently got two cases for my Pixel 6 Pro. One was the traditional Google case and the other one was the Spigen Liquid Crystal Air or something like that. Let me check that. The Spigen Liquid Air case designed for the Pixel 6 Pro. Have a look. And I wanted to do a quick review on the Spigen case because I really do like it, but also a bit of a comparison and see which one's actually better. Now, whenever I get a new phone, the first thing I do is order a case, and I always just want something quick and cheap that I can slap on it the minute I get it, so I don't have to stress about dropping a brand new phone. So I ordered the Spigen case, and at the same time I got a little bit excited and I ordered the Google case as well. And for me, these two are very similar in design, build and purpose. But the Google one is $50 in Australia. This is AU dollars, so always cheaper overseas. But in Australia, the Google one's $50 and the Spigen one is $25. And I'll throw a link up here to Amazon for the Spigen one, 25 Aussie dollars, and it's a lot cheaper everywhere else in the world. So, which one do I think is better? For the price, obviously Spigen, it's half price. But then we're going to look at design. So they're both pretty much the same type of case. The Spigen one is black and it is not clear. It is a protective case. It is slim build. It is definitely slim. It doesn't add much bulk to your phone. Then you have the Google one, which is very pretty looking. You can see your phone through it, and it has a very soft feel to it and a very smooth feel to it. It has no real texture, and it's not matte. That's another thing. The Spigen one is that matte black color. So straight up, I'm getting more grip out of Spigen because it's matte and because it's actually got some texture to it. It's got some grooves on it. It's a bit like a honeycomb sort of look. A little bit like a honeycomb. Let's have a look at that. See what I'm talking about? It is very snug. It fits really well. My 6 Pro just slots in there nicely and there's no movement or give between the phone and the case. With my Google case, there is actually some movement between the back of the case and the back of the phone. And I actually thought my phone was damaged because it was making this really subtle little tap and it didn't feel normal. Like when I put the Spigen case on, it wouldn't do it. That's what made me realize it was actually the case, and it's air getting between the case and the phone. And so when you double tap, it gives you this weird little sensation. So I noticed that it's not a snug fit. And it also doesn't protect the camera as much. Look at that Robocop visor. You can see, maybe not, but you can really see how that Spigen one really encompasses a lot more coverage of the camera and the visor. It definitely covers more of it and gives you more protection of the camera and all those lenses. Where the Google one looks pretty. It looks pretty. You know, when I went fishing yesterday, they don't make phones and cases for people that like fishing. They don't make phones and cases for people that like going outdoors. They're always trying to make these pretty looking things, and that's not a lot of people. Especially in a country like Australia. I mean, there's a lot of people who do a lot of things outdoors. We're a very outdoorsy sort of country. And we get these soft little cases that don't really offer protection. So that's why I really like the Spigen one. For me, it feels like it offers more protection. It definitely does around the camera hump, and it definitely has more of a lip on the top here than the Pixel, and a little bit more on the sides. Now, all your ports and speakers are just as accessible through both cases. Your volume up and down, power button, your microphones, your speakers, and your charging ports are all just as accessible. There's no difference there. but there's definitely a difference for me in the look and feel and in the protection. Something to be considered there, and I really do think that SpeedGen have really nailed it in terms of the price. The product is no better from Google. Actually, it's 30% recycled material. So I don't know what 30%. And I'll just tell you, I think this is funny. Marketing people. This is what Google says about their cases. A range of colors complement your phone's beautiful design. Fashion that fits into your life. With different color combos, your case and phone will stand out while fitting in, because that's important. You really want to fit in. Okay, so that's the Pixel 6 Pro's selling points. If I can find a link to Amazon, I will send it to you. I will link it down below. Here is SpeedGen's selling points. Simple matte black and modern design. I don't know if it's modern, but it is simple matte black. Slim and grip friendly for everyday use. Like I said, it is definitely slim and it is grip friendly because it has these grooves on the side and it has this honeycomb sort of pattern on the back. Flexible and shock absorbent layer. So the Pixel's saying it's dual layer and SpeedGen's saying it's single layer. I don't know if it's dual layer. I don't even know what that means. I reckon that's marketing talk. Anyway, they also say on the SpeedGen site that it is ridiculously precise and responsive cutouts. I would say it is very precise. You can see that in the camera cutout. It's really snug fit and very precise. And it's compatible with wireless charging for the Google Pixel 6 Pro. So they're the selling points of the SpeedGen. Protected day in and day out, modern and sleek design, just the right depth for grip. Keep your camera and screen scratch free. Crafted with the finest superior material, and form fitted. I like it. My money's on the SpeedGen. In fact, I'm going to go and buy another SpeedGen one now because I can, because I've got 25 bucks extra. Like if you're going to buy this, you get one. But if you buy the SpeedGen, you could probably get 2 SpeedGen cases. So considering the SpeedGen's offering as good as or better product, I would say go with that one. Links down below if you want to pick them up. I think they're a really good brand. I always like to get a SpeedGen case. Why? Because they're always available and they're always well priced and they always seem to be on the market ready. There's no fucking around. You just go and buy it. So that's why I like SpeedGen. I think they do really well. If you like this video, hit the like button and the subscribe button. I really appreciate you watching my video. Thank you, and I will catch you in the next one. Go SpeedGen.